Throughout the summer, I did a remote graphic design internship. The company was called She Heals the World, which aimed to help females start up their own companies through life coaching. Some of the career goals that I set for myself were to gain skills in communication, teamwork, problem solving, and critical thinking, to grow in the creative field in products such as InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop, and to grow in my professional skills such as in collaboration, critical feedback, and in creative projects. In terms of accomplishments, I felt that I was able to meet these goals through some of the tasks that I had, such as designing a cookbook for the company, collaborating with designers through online communication, and taking feedback from my supervisor. Some of the takeaways from my internship was that I gained professionalism, collaboration, and online technology. Having to report to a superior with deadlines, designs, and policies helped me to grow in my professional skills. In collaboration, I was able to talk with other designers and collaborate on big projects, which helped me to have other ideas in my work. And for online technology, as everything has shifted towards Zoom with COVID, I was able to learn how to communicate through online platforms in a business setting. Some of my future plans that I have is that the internship inspired me to build my resume up, which I've done through creating my own website and updating my LinkedIn profile as well as my Instagram art account. And I want to continue to update my portfolio in order to be a top candidate for my future. Some of the experience that I would like to gain is that I have already gotten a position at Ethos in the Daily Emerald, which I'll be starting up in the fall. So I'd like to have those positions to grow my skills throughout the year. And in the future, for my career, after talking with my career advisor, I want to start applying for jobs at the end of winter term and beginning of spring term in places such as Australia, Portland, and San Francisco. So an overall assessment of the company is some of the positives was that it did align with my beliefs of supporting women in business, and the design team was very welcoming to me and always offered me feedback and constructive criticism. Some of the negatives was that there was a big lack of communication in the organization, and there's a lack of structure from my supervisor. And to conclude about my internship as well as the CPSY class, I felt that talking with my career instructor helped me to give a broader idea of where I want to go with my future and how I can apply for jobs. And it made me understand where I grew in my internship and where I needed some more growth, and helped me to expand my professionalism in building a resume, interviewing, and as well as meeting with my supervisor.